Hey everyone, this is Sarah from Phoenix Home Remodeling, and you're listening to the Home Remodel Podcast, the show that helps homeowners avoid the common contractor nightmares and get their dream home they have always wanted. We are experts in home remodeling and remodel design. If you are considering a remodel or want to learn more, just Google Phoenix Home Remodeling and you'll see we provide vital tips to avoid the common contractor nightmares. We have another interesting podcast for you today with useful information. Let's jump right in. Shower remodel ideas before and after. Do you want to improve your shower? With so many various concepts and styles, finding something to suit any budget or style is easier than some homeowners realize. There are many stunning before and after looks to inspire you for your next shower renovation project, ranging from basic designs to luxurious spa-like showers. Don't know where to begin? We've got you covered. Take a look at some of our favorite shower renovation ideas before and after photos from our shower remodel services and recommendations on replicating them in your own house. Continue listening for more information on these amazing shower remodel ideas before and after makeovers. Choosing the right shower design. Are you sick of having a boring shower? Have you ever felt your shower could benefit from a remodel but didn't know where to begin? It's easier than ever to create a lovely new shower. Whether you want something sleek and modern or cozy and traditional, there are plenty of design ideas to inspire you. When it comes to constructing a one-of-a-kind shower environment, the options are unlimited, ranging from elegant glass enclosures to rustic stone tiles. If you want to go all out, you can even invest in high-end fixtures like rainfall shower heads or wall-mounted shower jets. Taking the plunge into a beautiful change has never been easier with today's vast selection of elegant showers ranging from minimalist to extravagant. Shower glass. Shower glass is a popular choice for modern showers because it provides a sleek, sophisticated, functional, and aesthetically pleasant appearance. On the one hand, this sort of enclosure has many advantages, ranging from its low maintenance requirements to its diverse design alternatives. But certain disadvantages should be considered as well. One of the most significant advantages of shower glass is its aesthetic appeal. Because shower glass is clear and reflecting, it offers the feeling of spaciousness in even smaller showers. You'll also have no issue keeping your shower clean because it's simple to and less expensive than other high-end materials like marble or granite tiling. Before and after images of showers with glass. Let's look at some of our shower photos with all glass or mostly glass. A sleek, modern aesthetic that combines the seamless elegance of clear glass with the specific design components you select. A location where light floods the room and provides an appealing ambience while giving your shower a modern feel. The options are limitless. When creating your all-glass shower makeover, there's something for everyone, from frameless enclosures to custom designs. Not only does it allow you to add your creative stamp to the project, but it also provides unmatched utility, from easy cleaning to privacy options. Also, because it does not require additional framing or trim work, it has lower maintenance requirements than other materials such as tile or stone. Tip: when planning an all-glass shower makeover, be creative and have fun. Try using unexpected elements like colored accents or patterned tiles to create a truly one-of-a-kind design that captivates your visitors. Shower pony wall. A pony wall is another way to add your unique design style to the shower. This feature allows you to create isolation and privacy while still allowing light and airflow. Here's some more info on shower pony walls. Pony walls are available in various heights, ranging from knee height to ceiling height, allowing you to choose the level of privacy as needed. Consider using frosted glass or other transparent materials instead of clear glass for more privacy. The pony wall can contain the shower valve at the entrance. This ensures you can turn it on without having to get into the shower and get wet. A pony wall also gives you the ability to have recessed niches to hold your bath products. Many of our clients like being able to hide all their stuff in the wall, and we can easily make it a custom size since we are building the pony wall from scratch. Showers images with pony walls. Pony walls are great for adding elegance and usefulness to your shower remodel ideas. Try using eye-catching features like mosaic tile, a niche, or shelving to make your pony wall stand out. This is especially useful if you have limited storage space. Using a pony wall to add flair and personality to any bathroom is a great way to express yourself through your shower remodel project. Ideas for shower tile height. There are creative design choices when it comes to shower tile height. Here are the two main choices for tiling your shower at various heights. Tiling to the ceiling often looks the most high-end unless your bathroom ceilings are over 9 feet high. This is also the most expensive option. The second option is tiling to about 7 feet to be about 6 to 12 inches above the shower head plumbing line. This is common to match the tile height to the top of an adjacent item, such as a nearby window or door. This way, they are all the same height. With these pointers in mind, you'll be able to build something completely unique that reflects both your personal preferences and the area's overall aesthetic. Showers with tile to the ceiling. Installing tile to the ceiling of your shower is a brilliant way to improve your shower appearance. This approach can produce an attractive and dramatic look while offering additional protection against water. Tiling to the ceiling also provides a clean look since there is only tile and not tile and drywall. Whatever style you choose, stretching the eye upwards will make your space appear larger by allowing light to reflect off each surface, making the area feel larger than it is. Furthermore, it provides texture and depth without taking up valuable square area. Showers with tile to around 7 feet high. Consider extending the tile up around 7 feet high if you want a nice yet more affordable approach to incorporating tile into your shower. This technique is common for creating a stunning and inviting aesthetic without dominating the room. Given these benefits, it's no surprise that so many homeowners opt for 7-foot-high tile when redesigning their showers. This method makes sense aesthetically and practically, providing both form and function. Shower plumbing ideas. When redesigning your shower, the plumbing plan and installation must be considered part of the overall design. This includes deciding where the pipes will go, what kind of fixtures you need, and how everything will connect. You can ensure that everything runs smoothly and looks excellent with careful planning and attention to detail. Consider any existing drain locations or vent stacks when building a new shower plumbing system. If none are available, you may need to install them before continuing the project. When it comes to shower plumbing fixtures, choose high-quality materials, such as brass or stainless steel, that will not rust over time. It's also important to consider repairability. If something goes wrong, look for versions with removable handles and valves for easy maintenance later. By carefully considering these issues during your remodel, you can build a safe and efficient shower area while attaining an aesthetically beautiful look. Shower valve handle should be near the entrance. Shower remodels are an excellent way to improve the appearance and functionality of your bathroom. Ensuring all shower handles are close to the entrance and easily accessible for users is a significant aspect of functionality. This prevents you from getting wet and feeling uncomfortably cold whenever you turn on your shower. There is no one-size-fits-all approach for selecting the proper style for these fixtures. You want something that suits your overall design while enabling quick access. The remodeling company you choose should have a designer on hand to help you pick out all of these items, such as shower valves, plumbing fixtures, tile, and all other design items. Key takeaways of our shower remodel ideas. When remodeling your bathroom shower, there are a few crucial considerations to make. You can create a welcoming ambience with beautiful fixtures that offer convenience and functionality with careful planning and intelligent design choices. Here are our top 3 shower remodel ideas for success. Think about shower handle placement. Ensure they're close enough to the entryway, so users don't have to get hit with cold water when turning on the shower. Pony walls provide added privacy and functionality, while glass provides more space and an open feel. Tile height can impact the project total and also the look of your shower. The layout and the homeowner's opinion are 2 main factors in what is best. As evidenced by the before and after photos throughout this article, It can be a dramatic difference in seeing a shower remodel before versus how it is transformed after. Phoenix Home Remodeling is the top choice for your shower remodel project. With years of experience, our team of experts can transform your shower space into a beautiful and functional space. We use high-quality materials and innovative design techniques to create a custom shower that perfectly fits your style and needs. Don't settle for a subpar remodel. Choose Phoenix Home Remodeling for exceptional results. Contact us today to schedule a consultation and plan your dream shower remodel. All right, that's everything we have for today. Thanks for listening. If you are interested in remodeling, seeing before and afters, or fun design stuff, check out Phoenix Home Remodeling's website. The web address is phxhomeremodeling.com. Again, that is phxhomeremodeling.com. Or you can just type Phoenix Home Remodeling into the search engine. Thanks again for listening to the Phoenix Home Remodeling podcast. Have a great day.